How's it, guys? Welcome to another episode of SideHustleGarage. I'm your host, Rajo, and today with us here we have Mr. Brandon Solomon. As you guys can probably tell by the interior, we are currently finding ourselves in a GXI VVL. What model is this, sir?
The 94.
The 94. This was the first, the old spec, as it was saying, was not. When were these cars roll onto the manufacturing lines? It was released. Where were they actually manufactured, bro?
Die vrouw nu history dat ek initiële vrienden ken.
Jy ry 'n VVL,
jy was gebore in 94 nie, bro.
Ja man, dit is jy kan ouer as ek. Ek ouer as ek, ja. As dit ja. So jy weet jy sê my bro, okay, 94 is logies gebore nie. So where did the love start? It means you know die car nou al 'n tydjie maar.
Yeah,
when did you decide, no, I want to listen Sentra, bro?
Okay, let's start from the very beginning. Okay, I drove a Golf i3 like the one in
Yeah.
Yeah, it was my first car then. My actual first car.
Waar is die car of jou car?
Ja, my car.
Jou eie car.
Skarrelde geld.
Met jou kasie.
Ja, sien. Was nog nie my mooi nie, but it was my first car check.
Gebring toe by die motsie nou.
Ja.
Ja, ek sien my in
Ja, dan moet je gevang met hy waar. But yeah, and then actually when I get rid of the car, because I didn't work that time, so my car was making nonsense. So I actually wanted to get rid of it, and then I sold it. And then my other friend, Lano, was friends with Imran that time.
Yeah.
Check.
Imran is a dude with a 2012 name, Imran Muhammad, by the way.
We had both of the cars that time. So I went to him and he showed me the car. The car was actually in the backyard, deserted there at the back. Showed me the car, went through the car, and I was like, okay, right. The body wasn't nice that time. Didn't look at all like this. Yo, it was like a Hawk.
Yeah.
It's still a Hawk, but it's my Hawk.
That's a richt, bro.
So
Hawk spec, brother. Hawk spec VVL.
But yeah, and then his father took me for a spin in the car.
Yeah. I believe, I'm assuming it was DE at the time.
No, it was VVL.
Was it klaar VVL?
Klaar VVL. Klaar, I think small works was klaar.
Yeah.
So it was actually a lucky pick.
No, lucky man, bro. And I believe at the time there wasn't too many VVLs around.
Yeah, not like today, not like now.
Follow.
Yeah, so it was actually a lucky pick for me. I didn't do a lot on the car, just now I actually did quite a lot. But then his father took me for a spin. First time in the car with lift. And then after that, I was
So you soek love, dit is. Love. Hou jy love,
and then took the car to my tannie just for like to show her. Didn't punch the car yet. And she was like, you know,
man, you had to do the car, nee, dat is man.
Yeah, but my tannie then was like, ga niet die car kopen. Je gaat je vrek rijden met die car. So I was like, it was a difficult one, and then I did behind the scenes, did a cash transfer, and then.
Wait, so one letterlijk of it?
Yeah. And then I just popped up with the car, and then.
So dat jou uit.
Nee, daarom is met dus. So yeah, I was the story with the purchase van die car, and so it was like 2018. Yeah, it's like roughly like 3 years now. I have this car now, and then it's not the original color. It's been sprayed over like twice. Yeah, I was sprayed over twice, and this was actually the color actually liked on the car. But it's still surface rust, old car, so it's not happy, but the future references I'll still probably do it over again, probably better this time.
But it's still, bro, with all these imperfections, it's still your car, bro, and you enjoy driving it. I see what other mensen saying. See what other mensen saying, they enjoy it, man, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You know? As you always be sucking op een dag, bro.
Op hier een rare dag.
So ons Amerikaanse nog een kar gereden met lift. This is gonna be my first time. Any tips, me, bro? As the LS dan was open.
It's just open, no LS standard. It's like it's short ratio from the box.
Yeah.
Basically, there's no Tourque here. No, it's just normal.
Because I've seen a lot of guys doing it, they pull
it's just guys pulling straight, but straight as an arrow.
Yeah.
So.
Alas ini mana, ay mana ba so di kar so no wala ko kikira so ma 1.3 chico. Han papi. Kaya kasi rin si so may bro.
And yeah, petrol consumption.
Light.
And the opposite. So I 17 rand 60 cent, 70 cent
It's different than that.
And
But
yes,
I'm assuming if you're riding before the lift like this, it's fine.
yeah, it's gonna be fine.
But it's very difficult to stay away from a lift.
Yeah, it's very, especially on a road like this.
No.
It's glazed.
Don't worry, né? I won't spin your car. I won't spin your car. I wil hom net bietjie ry in die lug. Wat gaan dan nie so mee bro met al die? Hey yo, see something bro. So there you guys have it for the interview part with our little, excuse not a little, but he's a GXI body. You guys will see in the rolling shots. What's the weight of this your vehicle? Is this lighter than the normal sedan, like the STI?
This is I think it's quite a bit, few kgs heavier than heavier than sedan, yeah.
That's it.
I think.
It's probably because of the window, man, bro.
Yeah, because you must see most of the people that actually doing drag racing is driving a sedan.
Yeah.
So it's rare you see.
Hey bro, but what if something must happen to the rear window? Is there parts available for this thing?
Yes, there's quite a lot of people that I know which have parts for this. Yeah.
But I mean that comes with time, like building up the connection.
Yeah,
and everything, as with any car.
Especially with this car. When I first bought, I have zero knowledge about this car, like zero. I was just moving it left and right, and then after the research, got the few connections and all this, learn more about the engine itself and stuff like that, and then you start to like say now. Reconsider things, like small things, man.
But I mean, it's not too difficult to maintain it yourself.
Yeah,
like it's mostly like DIY.
Yeah, it's like mostly DIY. Yeah. So, and obviously first tune was back then. I made 151 kilowatt, 213 liters.
You guys want to hear? Slaat om papier. Anjala Magna, my bro. And I smaak is stukai. As is, if you know, you know. Look here, they were gunning us saying, nah. Look here, the hobo must stop speaking Afrikaans. I moet in Engels wees.
Alright.
No. Take us through it, Kazi. What you got here? 1600 carb engine.
Standard VVL, bro.
No?
Yeah, standard, just a ported head. Intake, cams.
Look here, see this intake while I went in for surgery, my bro.
I got it from CKoutlaw, as you can see.
Shout out to CKoutlaw.
Yeah, got it from Saud Basa.
Shout out Saud,
ported
bro.
everything. He gave me the head gasket.
Especially the head gasket, why was anything special about the head gasket, bro?
Yes, just a rare, not rare, but it's just hard to find. You can't buy it in the shops, my Midas or anything. And the cams, OEM N1s, got it from Saud Basa himself again. Got the manifold gasket, all the gaskets and all etc. around the engine. I got it from Saud. And then K&N filter, Saud Basa. I don't Saud Basa.
But I don't even it, bro.
Side hustle. Sorry, man. Sorry. Basically, this was just a home build.
My bro, in his head is more so thick.
Yeah, I got the car with the headers.
You got a car with the headers,
I think Perry made it from Japworx.
Shout out to Japworx, my bro.
Yeah, and also dialed the cams on me.
Yeah.
And always it's tuned by Nisman Performance.
None other than Nisman Performance. So far, all the cars, okay, exception with one. The Opel with that was tuned by Miyaki. Oh, look at the boats of missing is bro. What's these injectors you're running, cars?
This normal standard V injectors. Everything is just standard except the branch exhaust and the intake. The head was done, was ported and flowed by Ricky Bloom.
Yeah.
From PE. That's basically it. It's just headwork on the car.
Yeah, so the bottom is stock, guys. Stock bottom.
Running a Primera box. Short race Primera box. And everything.
My bro, where did you saw the box, ik say? Where did you saw the box?
How do you mean where you saw the box?
Where did you saw it? Waar is die box vandaan gekry? Minus dit 100 aan die Primera part van die ridder.
Yes, actually, like I said, when I got a car like this, but this box is who got the box? I think Andre got the box.
No, shout out to Andre. So you say the ratios is a bit shorter on this one.
Yeah, it's shorter than the stuff.
So you're sacrificing topping for quarter milkers.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, this is a daily. Daily car. Never been on the track.
Cooling, standard cooling setup.
Ja, alles is standard.
Nee, die is standard, die ding overlappen niet, dis ander fan hier so met bro. Due to the weather, we couldn't fit the velocity stack, otherwise would have now been like super awesome, but ish, the dangers, nee, it's like nah, still a daily runner car, still a daily runner. Suspension,
Coilovers, max track, modified, and running spoons and normal 165, not 165,
Are these
195, 45 tires.
are these are lightweight spoons?
Yeah, this is like a replica. It's not
Rips, yeah. But still light, man, bro.
Yeah, still light.
I know before this you were running 165, 45s, no traction with that, probably, no?
Zero.
Zero traction cars.
Until fourth,
No,
zero.
so you have no excuse now when I pull my bucky out, no?
So yeah, those guys are a shout out of everything that's in my car comes from all those names there.
Nee, kwaai man. These coilovers, I believe, was the 20 valve, the AE 110 A111, similar to the RSI, RXI shape. As I coil is, you have to modify it basically to fit, yeah. Nee, kwaai kazi, man. Okay. Whoa. Ek het 'n appeltjie te skil met julle. I have an apple to peel with you guys, you know? We're having 4,000 subscribers. In the previous video got 14,000 views. That means 10,000 van julle het nie geklik op subscribe. So take this time out, nah. You're gonna pause the video now and you're gonna go click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell, nah. Want julle moet support. That's how we get our support, is you guys actually subscribing to our channel, nah. So
Yes.
okay, cool guys. Brandon was kind enough to give me the opportunity, grant me opportunity to drive his vehicle. We're first gonna nurture it. We're first gonna check the feel of the gears and the clutch and so on. And this here's will be block cruise. I didn't install. That's the first. Gears will get die clutch is lekker laag, my bro. Clutch is lekker low. Let's roll up. My bro here, okay, the electric windows. En de manskap hebben een tak in hier, jong. The angle fine, is the sound fine, everything, guys. Just getting a feel for the. So that's fourth gear. That's second instead of fourth. The block up. Just strike clear loans. Lekker say. Loans, man, no. Well, you guys must let us know what you guys think of us style of interview. Guys can hand us. I think that's better for the hours that we actually interview instead of sitting in, you know, like in a studio place, the setup we have, we start them up there in the garage with all the lights and cameras on them. They kind of feel as intimidating if you're not used to it. Whereas this is more natural, with the dog being interviewed sitting behind the steering. So let us know what you guys think. We did get some positive feedback from it after doing it with Rahul, but in this case, the guest was driving. Otherwise, we would have been sitting, you know, all fidgety, don't know what to do with his hands. Right side, I was also any questions for her. So, you guys ready? We're gonna do the launch now with a 2-liter VVL. Because they're ready, man, that they make Japworx. Love my no buiten wil zeggen. I think my innocent bucket needs a love fix here. Yo, that was lekker. Must we have one more? One more, what you guys say? One more. Check Noor is down at the bottom. I'm gonna launch it properly this time and not take it into the limiter. So this is gonna be a proper launch. You guys ready? That's enough for today, guys. That's enough for today. Yes, please guys, subscribe to our channel, nah. Subscribe to our channel. Yeah, that was lekker, my bro. Nee, koi.
A wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks to Brandon Solomon here. Wonderful car, brother. Wonderful car. Love his car. Shout out to NaseemLillah there for post-production. I just did all the handling of the actual shots, and Naseem will be doing the editing. And then we have Fonny also over here, help me with the props and whatever. And the host, Raja over here, and NoerTheLight.
Go click on the subscribe button.